My Manav ID is 24CS047.
My name is Himanshu Varotariya. My ID number is 24CS106.
My name is Varshil Patel and my ID number is 24CS080.
My name is Romit Kakadiya and my ID number is 24CS033.
My name is Het Patel. My ID is 24CS066.
My name is Khushali. My ID is 2CS025.
My name is Yashvi Antala and my ID number is 24CS006.
Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we will be explain a face recognition based attendance system that we build using Python. This project uses some essential libraries like OpenCV for face detection and recognition, Neater for the graphical user interface, and other tools for saving and tracking attendance. Let me walk you through the code step by step, explaining each line and its purpose. Let's dive in. So part 1, importing libraries. At the top, we import all the required libraries. Import knitr, st, and from knitr import ttk, message box as message, purpose to create the GUI. Like knitr we use in this code. It is a Python built-in library for building desktop application. Import cv2. Full form is computer vision library. Purpose is to handle face detection, image capture and recognition. Import OS, CSV, date and time. And OS for file and directory handling. CSV to save attendance and student detail. Date and time to log current date and time. Import numpy as np. Its purpose is to handle numerical data and images as array. From PIL import images. PIL stands for Python Imaging Library, used for imaging processing. Import pandas SPD. Purpose to read, write CSV files, save to direct style, grayscale using cv2.cv, recolor, detect face using detector, detect multiscale, draw a rectangle around detect faces, saving a grayscale face images to the training image folder. Why we use grayscale? Because reduce complexity for recognition model, and thereafter we shift train image. Once image are captured, they are used to train the face recognition. Recognizer is equal to cv2.face.lbphf face recognition create this is for lbh stand for local binary pattern histogram. Why use lbph? Because it is robust and works well on different lighting conditions. And recognition.train, it takes image and IDs as input for training. Output is a model file. Trainer.yml is created. And now we shift on GUI implement. Next, let's look how to the graphical user interface is built using knitr and frames and layout. The code uses frame like frame 1, frame 2, etc. to organize section like new registration for entry name and ID, attendance table, to display attendance records, buttons for take images, capture images for trainer, for a save profile to train the recognition, for take it attendance, for to start the recognition process, for quit to close the windows, and tree view table for display attendance data in columns, ID, name, data and type. Fourth one is now before wrapping up, here are the key technologies used in this project. First one is OpenCV for face detection and recognition using high cascade for detection and LBPH for recognition. Knitr for creating the front-end GUI. Pandas and CSV for managing attendance data. NumPy for handling image data. So to summarize, this project is a complete face recognition attendance system that captures image, trains a model using LBPH face recognition, and recognizes face in real time to mark attendance. It combines computer vision, Python libraries, and a user-friendly interface to automated attendance tracking.
Okay guys, so let's run this program. After you run the program, you can see the GUI interface like this. It is a GUI interface. You created by this code. This is a whole front end code for this GUI. You can see different sections like enter ID, enter name, take image button, save image button, take attendance. If you are a new registered, then you have to enter the new IDs, your name, then take image. And if you are already registered, then you just only have to take attendance. Uh, let's I already entered my ID and name. Let's again I entered this. So I entered my ID and also entered the name. So now I'm click on the take images. You can see the camera was open. It will take nearly 100 images and scan your face. So it's done. Then you have to click on the save profile and the password you set it to it. You can see here is here this profile saved successfully. Now click on the take attendance. So you can see it is showing my name because it scanned my name and face. After you show your name, press the Q to save attendance. So you can see right here my name is displaying, and also there is a attendance file. Um, there is a attendance file created for today. When I open it, you can see all information is saved in this Excel sheet. My ID number, my name, my date, and the time when I attended. And also there is a student detail file. Here I have taken the mm, seven people's face, and in front of you I have taken this entry. So when you have this code, I have I have explained you the whole process, how you can register a new member or take attendance of already registered member. Then you have to just quit your program, and it is finished. So that's it. The code was done. You can find these files in description box. You can get this file in description box. So like, share, and subscribe.